Self-loving. Begin in Adho Mukha Shavasana, pedaling the knees. Self-loving. A lifelong journey of techniques, tools, perceptions. It's the relationship, the longest relationship that we have. In this lifetime anyways. Slowly begin to walk towards the top of your mat. Self-loving. Ragdoll pull. Take hold of opposite elbows. Bend through the knees in a self-loving way. As if it is already done. Exhales decompressing the mind. Let go of your grip. Begin to roll up the length of the spine. Crown of the head comes up last. Palms sweep up overhead. Bring the palms to heart center. Self-loving. Sweep down, around, back up. Lock of Nagarjuna. Interlace the fingers. Index fingers press away from you. Hands to the heart. Self-loving. Inhale, reach up. Sweep around and down, forward fold. Flat back, gaze forward. Right foot steps back, followed by the left. Top of a push-up to downward dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Steps forward in between the hands. Inhale, looks up. Exhale, foot steps forward, top of the mat. Exhale to inhale. Sweep both hands up above your head, pressing the palms through heart center. Sweep around and up. Self-loving, bow forward, dive forward. Exhale completely, allowing the inhale on the flat back. Exhale steps you back, left foot, right foot, downward dog. Good. Self-loving. Left leg lifts. Steps forward in between the hands. Inhale, look up. Exhale, step forward, top of the mat. Exhale completely. Inhale, rise, palms above your head. Maybe slight back bend, but keep your gaze up. This time we're going to sweep hands around and back up. Maybe a clap. Exhale, fold. Inhale, flat back. Downward dog. Breathe. Left leg lifts. Exhale, steps forward in between the hands, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, sweep up, palms above the head on the top of the inhale. Exhale, let it go, sweeping the palms together through center and around, back up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, right foot steps back, followed by the left. Downward dog. Right leg lifts, steps forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, top of the mat, forward fold. Inhale, rise, palms sweep up overhead. Exhale, pressing through heart center. Self-loving. When it's hard, I like to say, what would someone who loves himself do? Inhale, sweep up. Lock of Nagarjuna, interlacing the fingers. Index finger is out. Elbows draw up, lengthening through the side body. 3 breaths. Let that go, forward fold. Inhale, flat back, look forward. Left foot steps back. Flips onto the top of the left foot. Inhale, high crescent, warrior-one variation. Breathe. Stick with it. One more breath. And let it go. Both hands to the mat. Downward dog. Good work. Right leg lifts. Steps forward in between the hands. Looks up. Forward fold at the top of the mat. Inhale, sweeps up, palms above the head. Palms to heart center. Exhale, sweep around and up. Gaze up, back bend. Exhale, fold. Right foot steps back. Flips onto the top of the right foot. Inhale, rise. Uddiyana Bandha, Muladhara Bandha, Jalandhara Bandha. Activated. From here, root to rise. Self-loving. Exhale, let it go. Palms to the mat, downward dog. Nice. Next in-breath brings you forward to top of a push-up. Lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, upward dog or cobra. Exhale brings you to downward dog. Breathe. Maybe shake the head yes, shake the head no. Left leg lifts. Steps forward in between the hands. Warrior 2. Virabhadrasana 2. Back foot parallel to the short edge of the mat. As if you're riding a surfboard. Your weight distribution is your back. Anchor through the back heel. Begin to rotate 45-degree angle of the right foot. Warrior 1. Hips are parallel, welcoming the sun. Thank you, sun. Exhale. Bring both hands to the mat. Rotate on the ball of the back foot. Downward dog. Top of a push-up. Lower all the way to the mat. Inhale to cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Steps forward in between the hands. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Gaze over the front middle finger. Root through the feet, rise through the crown of the head. Anchor through the back heel, 45-degree angle, warrior 1. Breathe. Lower 2 more millimeters. Cartwheel both hands down to the mat. Chaturanga, upward dog. Downward facing dog. Good work. Self-loving. If you found value, click the thumbs up and subscribe.